There is some balanced equation with coefficients. You are asked to calculate the missing coefficient, and the equation is given by S8 in presence of basic medium is converted to S minus 2 followed by S2O3 minus 2. Some amount of water formation is also occurring. Whereas S8 stands for zero oxidation state is converted to minus 2, that is decrement in oxidation number is reduction. The same S0 is converted to S plus 2, that is increment in oxidation number known as what? Oxidation. The same element is participating in oxidation as well as reduction. Hence, individually we have to balance, then an addition for the oxidation half with the reduction half, it results as total balanced equation. If I go for reduction, this S8 is converted to S minus 2. Whereas to maintain law of conservation of electrons, else you can write it as S only. Now here Sc is converted to S minus 2 and is possible by gaining of 2 electrons, that is S plus 2 electrons is converted to S minus 2. I am considering it as the balanced reduction of reaction, considering it as equation number 1. Let us go for oxidation reaction. You feel it as S. Sc is converted to S2O3 2 minus. But to maintain S2O3 2 minus, minimum I requires 2 Ss, that is 2S is converted to S2O3 2 minus. I have to balance the other, that is water. Suppose this side 3 oxygens are there. To fulfill 3 water molecules are added. Whereas if water is added, hydrogens difference came out. So therefore 6H pluses. So to write 6H pluses as being it is basic medium, where I am writing as 6 water molecules followed by 6 OH minus ions. So the net equation, the balanced of oxidation half can be given by 2S plus 3 water cancelled here. So therefore 6 OH minus results S2O3 2 minus followed by what? 6 water molecules. If I write this one in terms of charges, in terms of ions, in terms of electrons, then the charge becomes as minus 6 is converted to minus 2 and is possible if it gains 4 electrons. So therefore loses 4 electrons, hence it is 2S followed by 6 OH minus is converted to S2O3 2 minus followed by 6H2O after losing how many electrons? 4 electrons. This as equation number 2. To maintain law of conservation of electrons, here equation 1 is to be multiplied by 2. So therefore 1 into 2 plus equation 2 into 1 added to one another after multiplying with 2. The fate of equation 1 is 2s plus 4 electrons is converted to 2s minus 2. Similarly, equation 2 as it is, that is 2s plus 6 OH minus is converted to S2O3 minus 2 followed by 6 water molecules followed by 4 electrons. Law of conservation of electron validation, 4 versus 4 gets cancelled. So 4s, 2s plus 2s, this will becomes 4s followed by 6 OH minus, that results as 2s minus 2 followed by S2O3 minus 2 followed by 6 water molecules. Whereas here for the reference we are having S8. S8 is possible if it is 8 sulfurs. So therefore if I write S8, it requires multiplication with 2. So therefore this is 12 OH followed by this is 4S minus 2 followed by this is 2S2O3 followed by what? 12 water. So therefore the coefficient of OH minus A is found to be here what? 12.